Hello guys, welcome back once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Payoneer account. Let's say for one reason or the other you don't want to use the account, or you have a previous account and you don't want to have multiple accounts, so you want to delete an account with Payoneer. So I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can successfully and permanently delete your Payoneer account. Okay, so to get started, what you need to do is just head over to the Payoneer login page, and once you get to the page, all you simply need to do is enter your email address. Okay, so previously I did a video on how to set up a Payoneer account. Okay, so the details provided for that account is not accurate, so I'm going to be using that same account as a step-by-step tutorial guide on how you can delete your Payoneer account. All right, so I'm going to enter the email address right now and delete the account successfully. Alright, so I'm going to log in now and then show you how you can do this in your own case. Now, unlike other platforms, there is no actual button that you can click in Payoneer that is going to delete your account automatically. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go through the support and have them delete the account for you. Okay, so once you are inside your account, what you simply want to do is just scroll down and click on the contact button. Okay, so we need to contact them and have them delete the account for us. Okay, so once you click the contact us link below your account, is going to bring out some FAQ interface. Okay, so you need to choose what you want to do. Okay, so once you see something like this, what you're going to click is my Payoneer account. Okay, so I'm going to click on my Payoneer account, then we're going to see the rest of what we need to do. Okay, so what you want to do now, click on close or reopen account, because we want to close the account. Okay, so it's going to ask you, I wish to close my account or I want to reopen my account. Obviously what we're going to click is I wish to close my account. All right, so they are going to bring out some few words trying to compel you not to close the account, and if you are sure you want to close the account, all you simply need to do is just click on the contact us button. All right, so click on the contact us button, then specify why you want to close the account. Okay, so you are logged in already, so automatically your email is going to pop up. They're going to know it is you. All right, so here you need to specify what you want to do. So close my account. All right, I wish to close my account. All right, so come here, then come up with some reason why you want to create your account. So to avoid a longer process, I've already created a short text for that. All right, so I'm simply going to paste that here. All right, so what you want to do now is just click on this I'm not a robot person, then click the capture this thing. Okay, motorcycle, then let me verify this. Okay, all right, so after that you can actually cross check, and once you are sure what you did is right, just click on submit. All right, so your question has been submitted. Thank you for contacting us. You're going to review your question and reply to the email you provide. Your reference number for this inquiry is so and so. All right, so within few hours or within few hours or a business day, they're going to send an email confirming that your account has been deleted, or with additional question with reasons why you want to create your account. So you can actually do a follow-up from the email that is going to be sent to you. Okay, so whatever question they're going to ask you, you can easily reply them and let them know you actually want to delete the account. So this is basically how you can delete your Payoneer account. All right, so thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.